All right, today we are gonna play Count the Sounds Bingo. And in order to play this game, all you need is bingo boards. You can either use the pre-made bingo boards or you can have students fill in their own. For each box, we wanna make sure to include a free space. And we also have numbers. You see they repeat. These are gonna represent phonemes. Remember, a phoneme is a single sound that we can break apart. And we put all those sounds together, that's how many sounds are in a word. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna use these chips. So some of these are your bingo chips. And then if we get stuck, you can either count your sounds on your finger or you can count your sounds on these pieces. You'll tap for each sound you hear, you'll tap a piece. All right, so the first word, remember you want 5 in a row. So go ahead and put your free space. You can put a piece on it.
Okay.
All right, here's the first word. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Rip. How many sounds are in rip? Let's count it out. Let's stretch it out. So you can either use your finger, you can tap with your, or you can use these pieces.
So it's
Start here. We always steer here.
okay. Rip.
No, we're gonna go r, eh, rip. How many sounds are in rip?
3.
3. All right, you can pick a 3 anywhere on your board.
3.
All right, here's the next word. Picks. Like he picks up the paper off the floor. Picks.
4.
Good. All right, your next word is, oops, they got stuck together. Pig pens. Pig pens.
Okay. So 7.
7. Whoa, that's a big word. The next word is cup.
Okay, 3. I'm so close. I need one more.
One more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The next word is catfish.
Oh, I got a bingo.
Bingo! Woohoo! Good job.